Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to make payment link in Zoho Books. So first, make sure you are logged into your Zoho Books account, and then you are here in the Zoho Books dashboard. And then what we're going to do first is that we will need to make sure that payment link is turned on in your settings. So in order to do that, just go to settings and then click on general, and then from here make sure that payment links is checked, and then after that you can just go on and save your settings, since if you haven't turned on your payment links, you will not see this in your Zoho Books dashboard. So now that we have turned this on, we can just go back to the home page by clicking on the image right here on the upper left. So what we're going to do is that we're going to click on sales, and then we will see this payment links option now appear in the sidebar. So from here we can just create a payment link by just clicking on this one, and then we are going to choose a customer name. So first we're going to choose a customer, and then we're going to insert the payment amount, and then you can choose where the date will expire. So the description, you can just say payment invoice, and then from here you can save and share, or you can now just generate the specific link. So it says here that payment link cannot be created when gateway is not configured. So since I haven't created a gateway yet, I cannot generate this link. But if you have already created your gateway, you can now just click on generate link, and it will show up right here. And another way to create a payment link is you can go to customers, and then from here you can click on the specific customer, and then you can go to new transaction and then click on payment link, so that you have a payment link for that specific customer. And then again, just fill in the details right here and click on generate link, and then the link will appear in here in payment links. And then that is it. That is how we create a payment link in Zoho Books. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.